From a distance, this house looks almost like a simple drawing. A dark volume with a pitched roof, clearly defined at the top of a hill. But the closer you get, the more you realize it's not that simple. This is the Santo Tirso House, designed by House 3 in Portugal. The form of the house feels familiar, a volume with a gabled roof, but this is not by chance. It's a direct reinterpretation of the traditional Portuguese house, done in a cleaner and more controlled way. On the outside, the house is dark, almost black, creating a strong contrast with the natural surroundings. This makes it stand out even though it is simple. Inside, the opposite happens. Light surfaces, bright spaces. No excess. This inversion is intentional. Outside, impact. Inside, calm. There is a second, smaller volume attached to the main one that recreates something very common in older houses: additions built over time. At the same time, it creates an important space right at the entrance, a kind of decompression atrium, a pause before entering the house. You don't step in directly. There is a transition. As you enter, the organization becomes clear. The access leads directly to the center of the house, where the main spaces are: living, dining, and kitchen, all integrated with plenty of natural light. This central area also connects directly to the exterior. The interior space extends outward toward the pool and the outdoor area. This expands how the house is used and allows interior and exterior to work together. The roof is not just aesthetic. The pitched roof helps organize the interior spaces, creating different areas within the same volume, including spaces for reading and working. From this core, the house splits into two sides. On one side are the private spaces, bedrooms and a small office, all organized along a corridor with direct access to the outside. This maintains a constant connection with the landscape. On the other side are the technical and support areas, and here another interesting point appears. These spaces have double height ceilings, which improve ventilation and allow for more flexible use. It sits on an elevated point, fully visible from the road, and it uses that to its advantage. The house is positioned along the site to capture the best views. Everything is organized along a clear axis, following the direction of the lot. In the end, this house is very direct. It takes a traditional form and reorganizes it in a more contemporary way. It uses the site, controls light, organizes spaces clearly, and shows that you don't need to invent something complex to create a strong and well-resolved house.